Are you looking for the top 5 gaming PC? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best gaming PC on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC. System: Intel Core i7-14700F 2.1 GHz, 20 cores, Intel B760 chipset, 16 GB DDR5 6000 MHz, 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, Windows 11 Home. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 16 GB graphics, 1x HDMI 2x DisplayPort. Connectivity: 2x USB-C 3.2, 3x USB-A 3.2, 4x USB-A 2.0, 1x LAN, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, 7.1 channel audio. Tempered side case panel, custom RGB lighting, keyboard and mouse. 1-year parts and labor warranty, free lifetime tech support. Number 2. CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC. System: Intel Core i5-13400F 2.5 GHz, 6 plus 4 cores, Intel B760 chipset, 16 GB DDR5, 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, Windows 11 Home 64-bit. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 8 GB graphics, 1x HDMI 2x DisplayPort. Connectivity: 3x USB 3.1, 6x USB 2.0, 1x LAN, 1G, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 4.2, 7.1 channel audio, keyboard and mouse. Tempered side case panel, custom RGB lighting. 1-year parts and labor warranty, free lifetime tech support. Number 3. STG Gaming PC Computer Desktop. This gaming PC desktop is well suited for a variety of tasks, including gaming, study, business, photo and video editing, streaming, day trading, crypto trading, and so on. This high-performance gaming computer desktop is capable of running a wide range of popular PC games for PC gamer, including Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, Escape from Tarkov, GTA 5, World of Warcraft, LOL, Valorant, Apex Legends, Roblox, Overwatch, CSGO, Battlefield 5, Minecraft, Elden Ring, Rocket League, The Division 2, and Hogwarts Legacy with 60+ FPS. PC Gaming System. This gaming computer desktop is loaded with AMD Ryzen 5 5500 3.6 GHz up to 4.2 GHz, 6 cores, 12 threads, 16 GB DDR4 memory, 1 TB solid-state drive, genuine Windows 11 Home 64-bit. Number 4. Gaming PC Desktop Computer. Intel Core i5-13400F RTX 4068G. Powerful performance. Experience top-tier gaming, the Outpod Gaming PC Desktop, featuring an Intel Core i5-13400F processor and an RTX 4060 graphics card, ensuring incredible speed and stunning visuals for all your gaming needs. Massive memory and storage. Equipped with 32 GB RAM and a lightning-fast 1 TB SSD, this pre-built gaming PC offers ample space and rapid load times for your favorite games, applications, and files, making it a perfect choice for gamers and multitaskers alike. Stunning ARGB design. The PC case comes with 5 ARGB fans, not only enhancing cooling performance, but also adding an eye-catching glow to your gaming setup. This stylish design will make your gaming environment truly stand out. Number 5. STG Gaming Desktop PC Radeon RX 554 GDDR5. About this item. This high-performance gaming PC is capable of running a wide range of popular games, including Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, Escape from Tarkov, GTA 5, World of Warcraft, LOL, Valorant, Apex Legends, Roblox, Overwatch, CSGO, Battlefield 5, Minecraft, Elden Ring, Rocket League, The Division 2, and Hogwarts Legacy with 60+ FPS. STG Gaming Desktop PC Radeon RX 554 GDDR5. Intel i7 Xeon E5 3.0 GHz, 16G RAM, 512G SSD, 600M Wi-Fi, BT 5.0, RGB Fan X3, Windows 10 Home. System: Intel i7 Xeon E5 3.0 GHz, 16 GB memory, 512 GB solid-state drive, genuine Windows 10 Home 64-bit. Connectivity: RGB Fan X3 1X RJ 45 600M Wi-Fi, USB Bluetooth 5.0 graphics, AMD Radeon RX 554G GDDR5 video card, HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI.